No battery lasts forever, and that includes the one in your key fob. But fortunately, replacing it is easier than you think. All you need is a small flat-bladed tool and a new battery, in this case, a CR2450 3-volt. First, push and hold the mechanical release button on the side of the fob and remove the emergency key. With the button side facing down, insert a small flat-bladed tool into the gap on the left side of the emergency key slot. Use it to carefully pry the cover open slightly and help separate the case. Then use the tool to remove the battery cover and then to pry out the old battery. Insert a new battery with the positive pole facing up. Put the battery cover back on and the case back together and snap it shut. Now, just reinsert the emergency key and you should be all set. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.